Hi my friends, you are all welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have brought you an unboxing video that you have to be careful when you're selecting a projector screen. What are the things you want to be careful about when you're selecting a projector screens? When you come to projector screen, there are so many type of projector screens in the market nowadays. Today I am unboxing an 80 by 60 projector screen that uh, goes in the dimension of 1 to 1, and there are type of projector screen that used to present presentations in lecture presentations like that, and also there are presentation video screens that mention 16 by 6 projector screens that's suitable for computer desktops, and also it's for TV screen like dimensions is the 16 by 9 projector screen. And also there are some type of projector screens that goes in 30 to 35 to 2 dimension projector screens. They are used to view cinema as in your home or office rooms or conference rooms. So it is the screen type that used to project cinema screens to the screen from the projector. These are the measurements I have mentioned. When you are considering the projector screen size, they had given the screen size from uh, longest axis of the uh, rectangular projector screen cause 70. The dimension may mention as 7200 as so as if you are taking a projector screen mentioning 72 projector screen means the longest end of the uh, square uh, are the 72-inch length of the screen. And you also seen this is how the projector screen came to our office, and it's a brand of Vega projector screen made of type is made of polyester type material that made this is a white projector screen that suitable to place on tripod, and you can project your projector output to the this screen to present your presentations on this stream. There are so many types of materials used to project make projector screens. Because due to the changes of the material, the output of the uh, color and the sharp light that throw out by the projector can be sharpened, and it can increase. These are the sizes of the projectors: 30, 40, 60 inches, 80 inches, 100 inches. Such way the projector screen is the size of the projector screen is changed due to with the uh, placements of the projector. There are several projectors like short throw, long throw projectors, middle throw projectors. When you are selecting the projector screen, you have to see that your projector your projector is a long throw projector or short throw projector, or it is a middle range throwing projector. And also you have to see the aspect ratio of the projector screen. Is it as the ratio of 16 by 9 or 1 to 1 aspect ratio rise or size, or 32 to by 2 uh, projector aspect ratio size? If it is suitable for that ratio, you have to select a screen according to the your project requirements. If it don't have the aspect ratio of 32 by 2 present, you do not want to select such a projector screen for your presentation blocks. Can you see this is the handle that will lock the projector screen in place? Just such a way you can lock the projector screen, and this is the place that the way you are going to fix the projector screen to the tripod. This is how the tripod the height can be changed using this knob, and when you rotate this blue one, the top axis will be fixed to the tripod as mentioned. And you can control and here like this way. Right, let's see how to fix this screen. The screen come in a spring tensor tensor uh, casing like this. You have to take this casing and fix it into the tripod from this knob. You have to take it like this, and you have to rotate that blue knob there using your hand. I will do it in the way when I doing this video as in as you have to fix it. The locking device you have to throw and such a way you have to down the fix the spring loader string such a way into the tripod. Then you can hoist the string out using this thing such a way like this. I have mentioned here this is the white polyester screen type. White means the gain of the projector is 1 to 1. That it means what how much of light project to your screen from your projector, it gives out the same color. You have in the market you have such a projector screen made of silver grace color project screen, and some are they are made of with the technology there are different type of there, so it's like those on those one if you see the gain is more than not 1 to 1, it is more than 1 to 3% or 1 to 4% like gains in the specification. That means you can have a output of much more than the projector screen out. These are the dimensions of the by considering the when you as a person you can see the 72 projector screen like this one, and if you're going to select a 84 one like it will can the measurements can be changed like that. You have to mention be careful when you're selecting a projector for your various things, and I think this video had led you some information about projector screen, how to select one or such a way. In next video I will unbox an projector, that long throw projector, and I will describe how to select a projector in a such a way. This the time dimensions is so short in this one, so I can there are many information to be given, but I had given as much as you can it in this video. I think it is will be helpful when you are selecting a projector screen for your works, your office and day-to-day works. And thank you for being with me on this video. Please subscribe me, and it will be a great help for my future videos. Thank you.